Hey, it's Shay here and welcome back again to today's video. And you know what? I've been wondering and just thinking to myself, I wonder if anyone has really heard about making money with clicks. Okay, maybe you have heard of it. If you have heard of it, maybe you haven't experienced making money online by just generating clicks alone. And in today's video, I want to show you a campaign where I am in fact getting paid with just generating clicks, and it's already making $250 a day. And on top of that, I only just recently started it a few days ago. This is a campaign that I just showed my students to, keep them motivated and to continue proving to them that yes, they can do this as well. They can create, make money online campaigns for themselves, and they can do it any day they like. But here's the kicker for you to think about. It's most likely only going to work for you if you have someone that knows what they are doing to show you what to do. Okay, and that's exactly what my students understand, and they take advantage of my support to help them do exactly that. And that is to create campaigns. I basically create and put together campaigns every week, and I provide all the inner workings of that new campaign to my students so they can see exactly how to do it themselves. And this is certainly something that I don't see many people doing, but I really enjoy it because when I see my students successful, there's nothing better than that. I really enjoy helping people, break through that barrier, whether it is making their first dollar online, or maybe they are making a little bit of money and they're looking to get to that next level. And you know what? I may even be able to help you as well. But I'll get to that in just a second. I just want to jump over to the network right now where I've set up this Make Money Online campaign and I'm getting paid for clicks. And I only just started it a few days ago, as I said. So check this out. And again, this is only one of the networks that I use. I use over 6 at this point. So back to here. We're in May right now. We're on the 11th. Alright, it's just defaulted to today and yesterday. I'm going to go back to the 8th when I started this campaign. So you can check out some of these numbers. So I'm just going to expand these two best converting offers first. So as you can see, these two that are highlighted here, check out the clicks. See how I'm getting paid for clicks. The clicks equals the sales and my conversion is 100%. Alright, so usually for example, if you generated 100 clicks to a network and you were converting at 10%, for example, you'd have 10 sales or 10 conversions. But as you can see, right across the board here on everything, it, equals up evenly, alright? So the clicks are matching the sales, which means I am getting paid for clicks. And just while I'm on this day here, this was just 2 days ago on the 9th, in this offer, I was getting paid $2.03 per click to make $119 just on this one offer. And on the same day, I'm rotating these offers within the network here, alright, all from the exact same traffic source. And you basically do that with a click rotator. I'm not going to go into that technical stuff any further for now, but just follow along. That's the most important thing to do. In matching day on the 9th here, $1.90 for $153 made as well. And there's just one other little thing. I just want to expand this one out, actually, just so I can show you the full reports here, just to show you everything that happens. So this one here, alright, has generated $43.96, but as you can see, the clicks amount is very similar, or in fact more than this offer, but less than the top one here. But as you can see, the difference, $358 made in the last, 3.5 days, because we're, like I said, on the 11th, but we're only less than halfway through today. And if we look at this one, 295 made, so almost 300 there, and again only $40 made on that one. So it's just not paying as high. As you can see, if you look at that, 5 cents compared to $2. And I mean, even $2 is not even that great. I have other networks that I make money in at the same time as this one, and they are paying, $4, $6, and even up and over $9 and $10 per click. Alright, so this campaign in this network alone is actually quite low compared to other ones, but I decided to send a little more traffic to this one, and I mean, it's made a nice amount of money so far, just in the three and a half days ish, $702, and I'm expecting today to still do a decent amount yet to go up, because we're still only just part way through today. So this is exactly how this campaign, this network's results look like, and if you know what you are doing, you're able to do this day in and day out. As my students do right now, I help them do exactly this and more. So for a short amount of time, as I said at the start of this video, I may be able to give you access to exactly what I'm doing every single day. So you can see campaigns just like this and run them for yourself to, help you get to that next level. So if you are truly serious and you really want to know how I am doing this and everything behind the scenes to run campaigns like this, I can give you access, but only if you take action right now. And to take action, just click the link in the description. Alright, I'm going to have a short bit.ly link right at the top. It'll be the first thing in the description. Just click that link now and it'll take you over to my site. And I'm just going to go there as well. As you can see here on my site, this is exactly what you will see. So all you have to do is just enter your best email address on my site right here. And as soon as you've done that, just click the Get Instant Access button. What that is then going to do is send you out my welcome email. Okay, so it's really important as soon as you've done those two things, click the link first, then go enter your best email address and click the button. As soon as you've done that, go check your email address that you just typed in. Go check that inbox for my welcome email. In that welcome email, I'm going to have all the information that you need to help get you started today. So that's super important. Go do that right now. I've still got this open for now, but you have to take action now. Go do those steps. And if you have any questions at all you have to do, as soon as you open my welcome email, just hit reply on that and send your questions back to me. I'll be able to help you out directly that way. So that's all for this video. Take action, as I said, right now. Do it while it's all open right now. I look forward to helping you out with these campaigns and helping you start making money online or get to that next income level.